Hi, and welcome to my channel, J.I. Colorist. My name is Jody, and today's video is just a quick, fun video to go over Feath Pym Art's channel's bingo tag for July. So every month, Feath does a bingo sheet, and she publishes it at the beginning of August for July's completed pages. So she has a bingo, and we have to find each of the items on here, and once you have a line, then you have a bingo. And I've tried for the last 3 months, and August I finally have a bingo. So these are the pages for Sailboat. I have from Nice Little Town 3, I have a picture of a sailboat, and if that isn't a sailboat enough for you, then from Aria, Vale, there's a little tiny sailboat there as well. So that's check mark for sailboat. The next was frame, and I figured that from World of Flowers, this page is full of frames, so I'm using this as frames. For the next one, it was spring, and I have 2 pages. One, I'm doing this for spring cleaning, and it's from Romantic Country 2. And if that isn't good enough, then I think that this page also reminds me of spring with the 2 little love swans there and the nice spring flowers. For the next tag, we have weapons, and from Mouse Guard I did the black axe, and he has an axe, and so that's a weapon. And then for fashion, I am using from Timeless Beauties, the Coloring Haven, I'm using this girl as a model, and she has a beautiful fashion on. So I did also get house clothing, a new medium, which I used washi tape and Sharpies. Eating, I had the pancake supper for Romantic Country. Feathers was the Botanicum, and I also had road for Romantic Country 2. But I only need to show you these for the bingo. So I just wanted to say thank you to Feath for having this fun little challenge, and I hope you guys have a creative and wonderful week. Bye-bye.